Hello everyone, my name is Sankalp Jaiswal and I have decided to make an Arduino based project for my computer school project. I have made an amphibious car that works on Arduino. Amphibious car is a type of vehicle that can work both on land and water without swapping out any of its components. I have used a list of components to make this project a successful one, namely the Arduino Uno, SC05 Bluetooth module, L298N motor driver, some jumper wires, 4 geared motors and lithium ion batteries. Now I will explain the role of each of the component in the project. First of all, the Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller based board based on the microcontroller Atmega 328P. It has 20 input and output pins, of which 60 can be used as PWM output and 6 can be used as analog input. The Arduino Uno board, the microcontroller present on it, has the ability to store code and execute it at the given inputs. Power can be supplied to the board via an AC to DC adapter or by using the Win pin or directly supplying it by 9 volt or 5 volt through the given ports. Now I will explain the SC05 Bluetooth module. SC05 Bluetooth module is a series module. It allows series enabled devices to communicate via Bluetooth. It works on 3.3 volt. We can supply up to 6.3 volt for the working of it. It has a voltage controller in it. SC05 module can give transfer speeds of up to 1 Mbps and at a range of 10 meter. I am using BO gear motor to provide as the motor of the vehicle. BO gear motor are very good low voltage motors that supply good enough torque at low voltage operations. It can be battery operated and the speed and the BO motors are controlled by the L298N motor driver via the programming which is uploaded on the Arduino board. It is a motor driver module designed for microcontroller based board. It can work from 5 volts to 35 volts and current up to 2 amps. It can control 2 DC motor or 1 stepper motor at a time. Here I am controlling 4 motors using 1 motor driver module as it is possible given by the connections on it. It is used here to power the Arduino Uno by the 5 volt output which can give. Here is the circuit diagram of the project. The motor driver is supplied with 10 to 12 volts. 5 volt out of the motor driver is connected to the Arduino Uno Win pin and ground is connected to the Arduino Uno ground pin. The SC05 module is supplied the 5 volt supply from the Arduino Uno and the ground of SC05 is connected to the ground of the Arduino Uno. I have used 4 motors in this project and 2 motors are connected in series to 1 motor out of the motor driver. The pin number 8, 9, 10 and 11 are used to drive the 4 motors depending on the input given by the user. Now I will demonstrate the remote controlled car part of my project. Forward button is pressed, the car goes forward. As you can see, it is going forward. It has other controls. As we press the left button, it turns left, right and backward. It can do this task using the Bluetooth module which is giving the value through the mobile controller, the Arduino Bluetooth controller. This is a demonstration of amphibious car part of my project. The controls are similar to that of the RC car. When the forward button is pressed, the car moves forward. Same as when left, it turns left. And when back is pressed, it goes back. It is very similar to the RC car part.